9 yellow flowers for a gorgeous fall garden. Tithonia. This tall annual reaches 5 feet, thrives in heat and drought, self-seeds, and attracts hummingbirds, butterflies, and solitary bees. Goldenrod. This native North American plant with cascading yellow plumes spreads via rhizomes, providing vital late-season pollen for bees and wasps. Black-eyed Susan. This native daisy forms tidy clumps in full sun, tolerates poor soils, and draws hoverflies and bumblebees. Threadleaf coreopsis. Fine thread-like foliage forms neat mounds of yellow blooms. A midsummer trim promotes fall flowers and attracts solitary bees. African marigold. This heat-loving annual has golden pom-pom blooms. Deadhead to control reseeding and attract predatory wasps, hoverflies, ladybirds, and lacewings. Sneezeweed. This North American native has daisy-like yellow to orange blooms, spreads via short rhizomes and invites bees nesting in nearby soil. Pot marigold. This ancient Mediterranean annual has dish-shaped yellow blooms, self-sows mildly, and attracts honeybees, solitary bees, and hoverflies to vegetable beds. Blanket flower. This prairie native forms clumps of yellow and red daisies, slowly spreading by seed and attracting butterflies and small carpenter bees. Perennial sunflower. The North American perennial with pale yellow daisies on tall stems spreads via rhizomes and supports honeybees, bumblebees, and sweat bees.